Hey guys and dolls, it is Jason and welcome back into my channel. Guys, we had a stellar week in the market, so today in this video I just wanted to give you guys a quick recap about what happened in the week, where we are at, and give you those new plays that I will be watching for next week. I hope first that everyone is having a great weekend, and do remember that tomorrow is Valentine's Day, so be sure to tell that one special person that you love how much they mean to you. And for all my singletons out there, know you are loved, but suck it up. And as you guys know, I do love to give you guys a tip in every video, so I will be getting to that in a second. But first, if you do find value at any point in this video, then be sure to give it a like, share this information with a friend, and hit that big red subscribe button below, because I can't wait to have you guys on this journey with me where we make money together. And as you guys are about to find out when we do jump into the computer, we have been on an absolute roll. The markets have been on fire and we have been capitalizing on every single play on this channel, and that is why I love making these videos for you guys, because I want to help you guys out and teach you guys new things. So the tip that I wanted to teach you guys today was actually based on ALPP. Guys, we did see a huge market rally in ALPP recently, and it did reach that high of $9. I continually said on my channel that this was not going to last, and we were actually in fact going to have a sell off on this share price. So guys, it just means that you have to stay patient in the markets, and once you do see those fallbacks, that is when you pounce, and that's when you're going to capitalize and make your money, because there's no good trying to buy in while the stock is all the way up here, because that means by the time it does have a pullback, you're already going to be in the red. So guys, you need to learn that when you're actually going to be buying into a trade, you want to try and get those deals on red days. Red days are good days, they are healthy, and a lot of people get FOMO, but guys, that is the one thing that I want to teach you on this channel, is not to have FOMO. Like I did say, there was a lot of people that did buy in ALPP when it went past that $7 range, and I had even some people yesterday, they actually did write in the comments on one of the videos that I did put up based on the fundamentals and the technicals of ALPP, and they said they had bought in over $8. And I did say that guys, stocks don't only go up, there will be a pullback, it is inevitable, and I had predicted that there would be a share dilution from this year because I did watch an interview. So guys, always make sure to do your own research on a stock if you are going to invest in it. And again, if you do think that one stock has gone absolutely soaring up, then it is inevitable that it probably will come down. There is nothing worse in the market for me personally if I'm going to be investing into a company if I see this on a graph, because for me that's like a roller coaster and I only see one way down. What I like to see obviously is if that stock is gradually inclining up and up and up slowly, and again, if that is the case, then I'm going to be very happy to put my money in that stock versus the other stock where I see a massive rally, because it scares me and I don't want to lose out as an investor if that is going to break and that bubble is going to burst. So guys, that is the little tip that I wanted to bring to your attention today. If you did find value, then be sure to give this video a like and hit that big red subscribe button below if you have made it this far. I also just want to say thank you to all of our recent followers, because this channel is growing exponentially and I'm so happy to have you guys along on this journey. That's enough of me rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's step into my PC. Let's go. So guys, just diving into some of the charts. Back on here on my screen, you can see that we have Open Door Technology stock. You guys know I'm an extreme fan of this stock. ARK Invest continue to buy it up. If we do get any major dips, guys, and we do see a retracement down to that $30 and below zone, then I'm going to be putting this stock on a buy radar for you guys, because this stock is going to be a stellar runner in the coming decade, and I do think that this is going to be a long-term play for me. I'm really excited. I do hold Open Door in my top 10 holdings, and they are a great company. My next stock that we did actually do a really good job on this week was FTFT. I had recommended it last week actually in a buy zone when it did hit down that $4 to $5 range. They did do a share dilution all the way up from the $11 strike price up here, and you guys can see that when I did put it on our buy zone, we are now sitting up about 40%, guys, which is absolutely amazing. Today alone, we actually did go up 32%. I did get some messages from you guys to say thank you for putting this stock on a radar for me, and I said that's absolutely no problem. Again, FTFT I do see back in that double-digit range soon, testing those highs. So again, if we do get any further sell-offs in their share price, guys, then this could be a nice stock. This is a fintech company based in China, so that is going to be a long-term play for me. The next stock that we absolutely destroyed this week was Mara. Again, congratulations to any of our winners catching this, because we did catch it all the way down here on this dip at $16, and we have since increased our position by 130%, and that's in the last 2 weeks. So congratulations there for you guys. And again, Mara does follow that price of Bitcoin, so if we do see any big major sell-offs in the price of Bitcoin, then you betcha I will be loading up on this stock, especially if we do get down below that 30 zone. So again, this is one to keep on your radar for futures, and if it does go below the 30 zone, then that is going to be a stock to load up on. Hyliion, guys, you know my views on Hyliion. If we do actually retrace back down anywhere below $18, then this is a stock to play long on, because as you see, we do have these big spikes now, and it is just a matter of time, I think, until Hyliion does really break out and reconsolidate above this area right now, which is currently acting as a resistance at the $20. So again, especially if you do see this one go down below that into that $16 range, as I've been putting this on our buy zone continually, this is a really good trade, even to just swing or day trade, because the upside is really, really gorgeous. You can see that we actually did go up about 30%, and that was just off yesterday alone when I did put out a video. So again, congratulations if you did catch that, because every single one of these plays that you can see right now on my screen I have done a video on. But the stocks that I will be watching right now for this week is Sndl. Guys, I have been loading up on this stock, and again, anywhere around that $2 range or below, I feel like this is going to be a good play for your portfolio moving forward. You guys know my views on the MJ sector. I'm very bullish on it moving forward, and I think it is really important to have some of that exposure right now and diversity into your portfolio moving into 2021, because as the legalization continues, we are going to see a push in prices on stocks such as Sndl growers. So guys, this is one to load up on below $2. You guys also know my views on DSG. I think it is just a matter of time until this one does come back down. It is a penny stock, it is very volatile. So again, if you can get this one below $1, then I think this is going to be a good play to load up on for the future. They have a projection of 60 million in revenue to do this year, and that is going to double their market cap size from where they are. They are an electrical vehicle company, guys, and I have other videos on them, so be sure to check them out. They are somewhere on my channel. So once this does come down here to about the 92 cent mark, I am expecting this to rebound up and retest those new highs once again past $1.15. So that has got some nice bullish upside, guys, to it. So I think it's just a matter of time, guys, until DSG does actually surprise us, hopefully with some good press soon, and then we do see some more upside momentum in this stock. But do know, guys, that this is a penny stock and it is extremely volatile, so if you can't stomach volatility, then do not go near this stock. You guys know my views on Gevo. Gevo is going to be one of my 10x plays coming into the next 3 to 4 years. So again, if you can catch this one anywhere below that $13 range, then this is going to be a good solid play in the portfolio, I feel, moving forward. I did recommend this at a buy zone when it did hit around that $10 zone, and I did put out a video about 2 weeks ago, so be sure to check out that video because it's a really, really good insight into the company Gevo and what they do. So again, this is going to be a nice play moving forward. We just need to get those fundamentals and those technicals to line up. Hopefully we'll get a retest on that 21 EMA, and hopefully that 100 SMA will soon start to catch up, and once it does and we do start to retest those lows, hopefully of about $12, then this is going to be a nice play to load up on, guys, moving into the future. And as you guys know, Joe Biden has announced all of those tax credits moving forward, so this is going to be a really good play to add into the portfolio. The next play that I am looking to move my money into next week is ALPP. You guys know my thoughts on ALPP. Anywhere below that $6 range, especially below $5, is what I will probably remortgage my house, just so that I can throw in an extra 20 grand, because I want to have this play in my portfolio for the long term. I'm very bullish on the drone sector. Cathy Wood is very bullish on drones and autonomous drones moving forward, and this company do have a lot of potential in front of them. And guys, you know my thoughts on ALPP, so make sure that you add this one to your radar, and if you can get this one anywhere below $6.50, then this is going to be a nice play to load up on, I feel like, in the future. And guys and dolls, there are many more plays that I could give you guys, but I don't want to make this video too long today. That essentially NIO again is on my radar. It is below that $60 range, so I think it's just a matter of time again until we actually do push down onto that 21 EMA, guys, which is about the $58, and then we start to retest those new highs of $65. So that is one to potentially add on your radar right now. Planet 13 is another stock that I am currently watching, so again, add this one to your radar, and if you do see a support around this $6.30 zone, then this could be a nice play loading up into the future. And if you are looking for those real kind of blue chip companies and you want something that's a little more solid, that is not quite those penny plays, then again, my thoughts exactly to you guys are Facebook, ticker symbol FB. You guys know I'm extremely bullish on this. I feel like Facebook is extremely undervalued. I will link a video up in the description right now for you guys, so be sure to check that out if you are interested in Facebook, and it does go into an in-depth detail as to why I think Facebook are going to be going up in the future with some technicals. And another big play for you guys would be Alibaba. Again, this is a very volatile stock. It's Chinese, and we do have those delisting fears. So again, if you don't like volatility and you can't stomach volatility, then do not come near this stock, because I can guarantee you that there is going to be a very bumpy ride ahead for Alibaba shareholders, but I do feel like in the long run this has got some lovely upside, and it has a lot of analysts right now, and they do have a very bullish and strong buy prediction on the price of Alibaba moving into the end of 2021. So I'm looking forward as a shareholder of Alibaba to seeing where this stock goes. Essentially they are the Amazon of China. And not to overwhelm you guys, but the last stock I'm going to be talking about is Jumia Technologies. Now you guys know I'm extremely bullish on Jumia. I had actually been buying this one up since it was in that $30 zone, and it was consolidating, and I did recommend it on my channel. It was one of the first plays that I ever spoke about on this channel back in December when I actually started putting out these videos on a daily basis. And now you guys can see that we are actually up over 100% on our money. We are actually sitting at $62. We did reach highs of about $70. So guys, if you do see any dips in the share price, then this is going to be a really great opportunity to load up. This stock is going to go all the way up to at least $80 to $100 in my opinion. I feel like by the end of the year, this stock is going to be a $100 stock. Guys, this is essentially the Amazon of Africa, and this country have a lot of development, right? And if we're getting in at these early plays right now, and this has massive upside, monster growth potential, this is going to be a stock to watch for the long haul. So I think getting in below, especially if you can get it around that $55 range, then that is going to be an absolute steal in the long run for Jumia Technologies. They did have stellar earnings, and we do actually have some more earnings out again that are coming out on the 24th of February. So I'll be sure to update you guys as soon as I know any information based upon those earnings. So guys, make sure to hit that big red subscribe button if you haven't already, and be sure to hit that like button if you did find any value in this video. I love making videos for you guys. I hope you can have a great Valentine's Day tomorrow. Stay safe in the markets, and remember that on Monday the markets is closed because it is the President's Day, I believe, so we won't be in here until Tuesday. Take care, and I'll be sure to update you guys with new market plays as soon as I know what is going on when Tuesday morning and the markets open. See you guys in my next video. Peace.